In this video, I will show you what is ATS Friendly Resume and what need to consider to make an ATS Friendly Resume. What is ATS Friendly Resume? An ATS compliant resume is one that can be easily scanned and interpreted by an Applicant Tracking System, ATS. This means that your resume should be formatted clearly, with relevant keywords included. To make a resume ATS friendly, you have to consider to do two things. First, you should select ATS Friendly Resume Template, or you can make ATS Friendly Resume Template. Second, ATS Friendly Resume Writing with Keyword Optimization. Now, what is ATS Friendly Resume Template? A resume template which has no table, no box, or infographics or picture or icon that can create difficulty in ATS software to read to resume thoroughly and understand the resume. Avoid headers or footers for critical information like your name or contact information because ATS software often find difficulty parsing information that is contained in headers or footers, which can let important information missed in ATS software. If I simplify it, do not add any unnecessary things which will hinder to read the resume in automatic system. Choosing a format that can be easily read through AI, every part of the resume section is clear and understandable and relatable to job industry. Use easy-to-read and vastly used clear font. What is ATS-friendly resume writing? It means writing the resume in a way that aligned with job industry, or you can say keyword optimization, throughout the resume, align with job description or job industry, using action verb, relevant skill set and achievement, with result-oriented matrices, so that outcome can be tracked or measured or understand. Remove cliché or buzzwords.